Hello and welcome back to my channel. So friend, today we are going to talk about the Nothing Phone 3's leaked specifications. So let's start the video. So friends, Nothing Phone 3 is scheduled to launch globally on July 1. Ahead of the launch, the brand has already teased a redesigned clip matrix and confirmed the Snapdragon 8H Generation 4 chipset. Now a new leak has surfaced to reveal most of its specifications, including details about its display, camera, battery size and charging capabilities. And as per the above leak, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution, offering a sharper and more fluid visual experience compared to previous models. Under the hood, the phone will run on the Snapdragon 8H Generation 4 chipset and ship with Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15. The brand has already confirmed it will be treated with 5 OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates, and the leak further reveals that the Nothing Phone 3 packs a 5150 mAh battery paired with 100-watt wired charging, and it will continue to feature wireless and reverse wireless charging capabilities like its predecessor. And the design appears to shift slightly, with the rear camera arranged in a triangular next to the new clip matrix system. A significant change lies in the camera setup, which is set to include a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide snapper and a 50 megapixel periscope camera with 3x optical zoom on the rear, and the front will now reportedly feature a 50 megapixel selfie camera up from the 32 megapixel shooter on the Phone 2. Other additions include eSIM support and NFC, which were both absent in earlier models. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.